Hello and welcome back to the Pixaroma channel. I hope you're doing well. Last time, we dived deep into creating some spooky Halloween characters using Illustrate AI from DesignBundles. Did you enjoy that? If you missed it, make sure to check it out. Now, keeping with the Halloween spirit, today we're going to explore even further. We're going to craft Halloween illustrations that include objects, eerie scenes, and even haunted plants. But wait, I've got something special for you. I've prepared a list of creative ideas that can inspire you this Halloween. Feel free to hit pause whenever you want to take a closer look. After that, I'll walk you through some prompt examples and show you the incredible results they generate. So, are you ready to get creative? Let's jump right in.
That voice getting louder and keeps my back to the wall. Fear starts taking me over and I can't help but fall to my knees. Oh, can't you see he won't let me be? Tears me down till I'm begging for rest. Heart so loud as it beats in my chest. Can't get down, no, he can't have the best of me. No, the devil's got no hold on me. No, I try getting farther, keep my feet from the street. But the road gets harder and I get led away, you see. Can't you see he won't let me be? He tears me down till I'm begging for rest. Heart so loud as it beats in my chest. I can't get down, no, he can't have the best of me. No, the devil's got no hold on me. Don't give up and don't give in. You're worth more, so don't pretend.